Menges here on my Jamaica journey. I'm now at Sandals Dunn's River, the spectacular Sandals Dunn's River.
So nice to have you here once more at the reimagined Sandals Dunn's River.
It's great to be back. One of my favorite spots and a reflection of, from my perspective, Loyalty 2.0 is all you've done with the food and beverage concepts. We're walking from Blum down to Dunn's Rum Club. You want to talk a little bit about your approach to this?
Wow, you know, it's the concepts of the culinary journeys of all the clients that visit us. It's quite unique. And as Blum, as we just described, being a true Jamaican staple, I mean, the marketing power behind the #1 coffee in the world and how it tastes and smells. As a non-coffee drinker, I find myself going in there all the time to have a cup of coffee. No, I can't say the same for where we're about to go. Dunn's Rum Club, what a journey. Almost similar to walking into the distillery. It took us about 42 years to figure out that we needed a rum bar. We won't blame ourselves too much for that. But to have a rum bar with over 30 rums from the Caribbean, and to couple that with a beautiful way of tapas journey into the culinary delights of Jamaica. So the concept is that more and more of our clients want authenticity. They want to experience what the destination has to offer. We've just come from Blum, the Jamaican coffee, and now we're here, rum. The rums, the Appleton, the Worthy Parks of Jamaica are some of the best rums in the Caribbean. All of them winning multiple awards and gold medals and so forth. So in taking all of that concept and creating this restaurant and this experience for our guests and the authenticity behind it, it's a win-win for everybody. This is probably the most sought after rooms that we have at Sandals Dunn's River. From the outside bathtub and so forth to your own personal bar, butler service, and yes, you can look at the stars. Peter, what are we doing?
I'm just taking advantage of the amenities. It looks like they're having way too much fun.
Peter,
How do we get in on that?
This is one of my favorite resorts.
Oh, say that
Mine
again.
too.
One of my favorite resorts.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for all your support, though.
Ask for better service, better staff, better food, everything.
We are very blessed by what Mother Nature has given us. With that natural beach, the pools that we're putting within infinity edges, it's very spectacular. But as we were talking about earlier, it's that coupled with the team members, the family that we have here, where people refer to as staff, we call them family. And a lot of guests, since after the storm has passed, they're asking, well, what can we do for the staff? What can we do for your team members? And it's very simple. All they want and all they're asking for is for you to come home, to all our returnees and to all the first timers. What took you so long? Hurry up and come. We would love to host you at any one of our hotels, but Sandals Dunn's River is a little special.